Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape label tab in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a white canvas, select the custom shape tool and choose a tab or label shape. Now draw the first tab shape, change its fill color to primary color, duplicate the tab shape using Ctrl+J, move duplicate to the right, change duplicate color to the lighter shade. Repeat for more tabs. Select all tab shapes, align them horizontally, and add text labels inside each tab. Center text vertically, highlight one tab with darker color, zoom out and preview navigation look. Tabs feel clickable, custom shape UI ready. Thanks for watching. Your project is ready in Photoshop.